I am so glad that you could be here with me today. Today is all about a color comparison. I am doing a color comparison on VersaFiber Heidi from Paula Young. I have her in 4 colors. I have her in Wheat Rooted, I have her in Sunkissed Rooted, I have her in Buttered Toast Rooted, and in Honey Rooted. Heidi is a well-loved style and she's a very popular style, so they came out with a VersaFiber line of Heidi. And the VersaFiber is heat friendly up to 350 degrees, and once you style it with a heat tool, that style stays that way until you change it again. For the inside of the cap, we have this nice lace front. This is a lace covered open weft, and we have the open wefting on the sides, the covered ear tabs with bending metal stays, and we have the extended nape with the Velcro closures. And VersaFibers do run quite large. I have plenty of room in here. Buttered Toast 1026 number 6. And Buttered Toast, in my opinion, is an ashier tone. From Buttered Toast, we move to Honey Rooted, which is the SF1228 number 6. So you can see that this one is quite ash compared to the Honey Rooted. Buttered Toast Rooted, Honey Rooted. I'll just spin around and show you from the back. So Buttered Toast Rooted, Honey Rooted. I know a lot of you always have questions about those 2 colors. And I do think, as far as the color codes go, these VersaFibers are darker than the regular synthetics with the same numbers. Not only is it the rooting, but I think the fibers themselves take the color differently, and I just think the honey color in here is just naturally darker. I did film myself showing you all 4 out on my front porch, but it's too windy to put on the wig heads and show you side by side. But just to give you the idea on the wig heads, this is what we have. Sorry, they got kind of wind blown outside. So we have, on the far left is going to be your Wheat Rooted, then this is your Sun-Kissed Rooted, then we have your Buttered Toast Rooted, and then of course we have Honey that I'm wearing, Honey Rooted I should say. Alright, so I just want to thank you all for joining me for this quick color comparison video for VersaFiber Heidi from Paula Young. And on our way out, I'll show you all 4 colors on my front porch. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.